Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Google Calendar in Android. Previously, I made few videos on how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome, Google Keep and Facebook Messenger. If you want to look at those videos, just head over to my channel, tap on playlist and look for the playlist dark mode for applications in Android, and you could find my previous videos on how to enable dark mode in different applications in Android. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Google Calendar in Android. To do so, just open Google Calendar in your Android and just tap on the three vertical bars on the top left and scroll down where you could find an option called settings. Just tap on it and tap on the general option which is shown at the top, and you could find an option called theme. Just tap on it. By default it is light theme. It asks you to choose a theme among light theme, dark theme or set with battery saver. So when you turn on the battery saver, it turns to dark mode by default, but if you want to use a dark theme, just tap on the dark option and your Google Calendar turns into dark theme. Just come back and see that your Google Calendar has been turned into dark mode. Just tap on the plus icon and you can even add goals, reminders or event, and everything is same. So this is a simple way to enable dark mode in Google Calendar in Android. Hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please like and share the video, and if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.